Parasites, parasites. Parasites are everywhere, and knowing how to treat and prevent these parasites is the key to make sure that our furry friends have a happy and healthy life. Hi, my name is Vaishu Dog, and today I'm going to present my presentation on internal and external parasites in dogs. Today we are going to talk about roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms, heartworms, giardia, coccidia, cryptosporidia, fleas, ticks, lice, and mites. So first, let's talk about roundworms. Roundworms or ascarids are some of the most common parasites in dogs. So as eggs, they hatch in the intestines, and as embryos, they flow throughout the bloodstream and affect all of the tissues. The signs are vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and the dog may have a potbelly-like appearance. And to prevent it, many treating bitches is recommended before pregnancy, as many puppies are in fact born with roundworms. And also making sure that your dog has healthy and clean environment is also key. Humans can also get roundworms, so washing your hands in humans is the most recommended way to treat roundworms. And to treat it, there's a prescribed vet treatment to give to dogs. Hookworms are hair-like worms that can be from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch long. These hookworms affect the intestines, and the signs are black tar-like stools due to the amount of blood loss. And because of so much blood loss from the attachment site, the dogs may become anemic. Also, heavy infestations can be life-threatening, especially in puppies. To prevent it, regular fecal checks, preventative medications, and good hygiene is always the key. And to treat it is a prescribed vet treatment. And there are also dewormers given by the vet. Whipworms. Whipworms are about 2 to 3 inches long, and they're thicker on one end, making it resemble a whip. The eggs hatch in the intestines, and adults can be found in the cecum and sometimes found in the colon and rectum. The signs are mucus-filled bloody diarrhea, and to prevent it, regular use of worm preventative medications. Tapeworms. Tapeworms have many different varieties, and the most common is Diffidillum candidum, which can be up to 20 inches long. It affects the small intestine, and the signs are abdominal discomfort, nervousness, vomiting or convulsions, and the dog may have fleas problems. And they will lick the anus in effort to remove the tapeworm segments, and they will also scoop on the ground. To prevent it, giving your dog worm preventatives and making sure that your dog doesn't have any flea problems, rodent problems, and make sure that they don't eat any wild animals like rodents, rabbits, raccoons, etc. Heartworms. Heartworms are some of the most dangerous and fatal of them all. It affects the right chamber of the heart and larger blood vessels, and the signs are the dog will easily get tired, shallow cough, and shortness of breath, and then the dog may even die. To prevent it, making sure that your dog has regular worm preventatives, and to treat it, there are injections given by the vet, but if not treated early, then the dog may die. And also, there are so many heartworms in this dog's heart that it's literally bursting the dog's heart. Giardia. Giardia is an internal parasite and is a protozoa. It affects sure that you're boiling water if it may be contaminated, especially when you're on camping, and making sure that your dog has clean toys, bedding, and anything else the dog comes in contact with. To treat it, there are medicines that can be prescribed by a vet. Coccidia is caused by Cystospora coccidosis. It affects the intestines, and the signs are diarrhea, weight loss, dehydration, bleeding, and the dog may also be asymptomatic, meaning that it has no symptoms at all. To prevent it, maintaining a clean environment, and to treat it, it's a course of medication and supportive care. Cryptosporidium. Cryptosporidium is a group of protozoans spread by fecal contamination of food or environment. It affects the intestines, and the signs are diarrhea, and the dog may also be asymptomatic. To prevent it, making sure that your dog keeps hygiene and water safety, and to treat it, there are medications given by a vet. Fleas. With over 2,500 species of fleas, the most common flea found in dogs is the cat flea. The cause is contact with contaminated environment or animals, and the signs are biting, licking, scratching, and it will chew or lose the hair, and the dog may also develop a rash due to the fleas. To prevent it, there are flea preventatives, and to treat it, you must break the life cycle that is happening in the dog's body. Ticks. Ticks are arachnids that are related to spiders, mites, and scorpions. Its cause is contaminated environment or places, and the signs are small dark bumps on the skin. To prevent it, making sure that you're using vet-prescribed tick preventatives and making sure to keep your dog out of weedy areas in which ticks may live. And to treat it, remove the tick gently by the skin with gloves, a paper towel, or tweezers. Do not remove with your bare hands. Lice. Lice are host-specific, and its cause is contaminated environment. The signs are the dog is scratching a lot on its skin, and to prevent it, there are veterinarian prescribed products. To treat it, there are medicated soaps, shampoos, and powders that can get rid of the lice. There are many different species of mites, but the most common mites are ear mites, walking dandruff, Demodetic mange, and sarcoptic mange. Its cause is contaminated areas or animals, and the signs vary depending on the mite. To prevent it, making sure that your dog has good preventatives and good hygiene. And to treat it, the treatment really depends on the type of mite your dog has. Today we talked about roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms, heartworms, giardia, coccidia, cryptosporidium, fleas, ticks, lice, and mites. Are there any questions? Now that we have learned all about parasites, we can make sure that our furry friends have a happy, healthy life, and we are educated ourselves about these because a lot of parasites can also come to us.